Is your iPhone camera showing a black spot? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you quick and simple solutions to fix this issue. Let's dive right into the fixes. Solution 1. Clean the lens. Open your camera lens. Use a microfiber cloth to gently clean the lens. Check if the black spot is gone. Also, check for any phone cases or screen protectors that might be covering the camera. Remove any obstructions like camera screen protector and test the camera again. Solution 2. Enable lens correction. Open setting, scroll down, tap camera, scroll down, turn on lens correction. If it's enabled, then turn it off and turn it back on again. Solution 3. Update your iPhone. Open settings, scroll down and tap general, tap software update. If an update is available, tap download and install. Test your camera after updating. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap general, tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, then select reset all settings. Confirm by tapping reset all settings again. Check if the black spot issue is resolved. Solution 6. Contact Apple support. If the issue persists, it might be a hardware problem. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. So, that's how you can fix a black spot on your iPhone camera. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!